Alright guys, check this out. This is a custom fitted tooth that we just had done for a customer. This is for the bottom tooth. It is 10K gold. Got your stamp right back there. Handmade for a perfect fit, guys. Now you can get this for the top or the bottom teeth. That's up to you. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Real gold tooth, guys, made to fit you perfectly. It's actually handmade using a dental mold of your teeth, an impression of your teeth, and it just snaps right on there. Fits like a glove. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. 10K gold tooth. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.